Teachers, I have created this video to help you out using the Google class which I have created. First of all, you need to enter the Google class. Okay, now I have entered the Google classes here. Um, Now if you want to share any materials to your students, enter the class, go to classwork here. Now when you enter the classwork here, you can see the subjects of this class 9A. They will be studying all these subjects here. If you want to give a study materials to the students, if you want to share some study notes to the students, go to create and then use this material tab here, and then you can share materials. If you want to give some questions to the students like worksheets, select assignment here. Now I'm gonna give a worksheet to my students. Here in the title, write the name of the work. For an example, this is a comprehension, so I'll be writing Deha here in Divehi. Deha. And then in the instruction part, I can give some instructions to my students like they need to complete the work by the end of tomorrow evening. After that, you can attach the worksheet which you have prepared. So here I'm going to attach. Here this one I'm going to attach. Okay, here it's done. Teachers, the important part is this one. Now I am the Divehi teacher, so I need to select Divehi from here. Here Divehi. Now see, under topic here it's Divehi. Me being the Divehi teacher, I need to select Divehi. So if I want to give this work to all my classes like 9A, 9B and then 9G, here I can select all those classes. 9A is automatically selected. I can select 9G and then 9B here. Now you can see the 3 classes is selected. So when I post this one, these 3 class will have the worksheet. So here I can give some marks. I have selected 18 marks. In the due date, I can select some date. April 1st I'll give. Yep. And then I can assign this work. Now you can see in 9A class under Divehi, they have got one work here. So make sure that when you give a work, select the topic. Just go to create assignment and then select the topic. Chemistry teachers, you can select chemistry and then you can give the work here and post it here. Now the students will have their work here, so they'll be finishing and submitting. Now if you want to see the students work, enter the class, go to classwork and under your subject select that work. For an example, Divehi, that comprehension is here, so view the assignment and then here I can see who have done the works.